I showed this on my Instagram, and we're finally gonna see what it is from Zing. What do you guys think it is? So these are the Gogo birds from Zing, and we saw them at Sweet Sweet this year. So thank you to Zing for sending us these, and also we haven't done the video yet because it's been super windy, and today it's, well, even windy too. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out, and hopefully it's not a fail because of the wind. Here we got it all unboxed, and here's one of the birds. And here's what the controller looks like. So this button is to make the wings flap and stop flapping. The joystick to like the direction. The power button. These two make a circle. The figure 8. And then this one changes the indicator light. So now let's turn it on and see if they pair. So that little button is the power button for the bird. You can see the green light now that it's turned on. Now let's turn on the remote. Let's turn the wings on. Definitely, when you want to use them, make sure it's not windy. But as windy as it was in the video, they flew pretty good. So I guess windy, like if it's windy out, it still works. We played with them quite a while, and we didn't have to change the battery, so that was good because each bird comes with a second battery, so they last pretty long. Thanks to Zing for sending us these Gogo birds. Also, we're sorry that it took so long to make the video, but we were trying to wait for the right time, but it always just stayed windy, so hit that notification bell, give a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button. Bye!